Why your linen's turning gray. Why we've seen that is it's usually redeposition of soil, and that happens because of the wrong chemistry potentially, or the chemistry is not being, it's been set up correctly, but maybe the pumps have got a tube that's flat, so it's not pumping the correct amount of detergent in. Well, we're breaking the soils loose, but we don't have enough surfactants to wash it away. And so it's redepositing back into the linens. And that won't happen immediately that you'll see it, but you'll see that over a longer period of time where the chemistry wasn't correct. So you weren't using the correct surfactants on it so that it's not lifting. You maybe break the soil loose, but you've got to suspend it. And that's what surfactants do in a detergent, and then wash it off. Your bleach is all it's doing is hiding residual stain that's discoloration. So you don't want to use bleach in place of a good surfactant or soaps. Bleach is cheap. It's really easy to use a lot of it and mask it, but you haven't removed the soil. Then you'll end up replacing those very expensive linens very quickly. So yes, the detergent is more expensive. A good detergent is very expensive, we understand, but having the right amount of the correct detergent will make a big difference in having linens that last a long time, but also have that 5-star quality. So when your customers or residents or patients come in, that they, the sheets look nice and clean and fresh, and there's not residual chemical on it to make those really what you're presenting to the customer, right? Is you want to have beautiful linens that you feel comfortable, that smell good, they feel good, they don't have the pH is correct, so you're not burning skin, etc. So it is important that chemistry is done right, and also that the pumps are maintained properly, so that even though when it's set up correctly and the formulas are correct, that it continues to be correct.